Hey, what's up guys? It's Adam with RC Logger. Today we're going to take a quick look at our power and RPM module. Basically what this module does is it collects data from your battery, and basically it's like an interface between your battery and your speed controller. And after it's done collecting that data, it sends it to our RC Logger Pro camera, and the camera itself takes whatever data that this module produces and it stores it as a bin file. Basically, you can use the data after that on our RC Logger viewer and our RC Logger Commander software, and you can see your voltage consumption and your power consumption during your flight. So essentially what I'm going to do is I'm going to show you how you would actually hook this module up. For starters, what we have here is a balancing style plug, and this plug just simply reads the voltage per cell of your battery. As you can see, this is a very different plug. We have a ground wire, which is our black wire. It's even indicated on the pin itself. And what that wire will do is it will plug into your balancing lead on your LiPo pack. Obviously, I don't have like an 8-cell pack, but we did make this particular module for up to an 8-cell LiPo. You would basically plug the ground wire in to the ground wire on your LiPo. Yeah, I can only use up 3 or 4 pins, but it's there, and you can use this for any size LiPo. The next thing we're going to talk about here is these 4 big wires. Basically, we have a power in and a power out. I would start with the power out, and we make it so you can solder pretty much any lead you want. In this particular instance, I'm using the Anderson power pole connectors. So basically, I'm going to go through here and I'm going to solder my end connections on to the out and to the power in side of things. Basically what I'm going to do then is I'm going to this module is going to act as a bridge between my battery and my speed controller. I have my speed controller, and I'm going to plug my power outside into my speed controller, and then for my power inside I'm going to actually plug my LiPo battery into that. After that, we have the unit basically interfacing now between the battery and the controller, and it's ready to record data. And in order to record it, we are going to use our RC Logger Pro camera, and we have our data cable here. And basically it's just a module connection cable. And on the back of the Pro you can see this I/O with the 4-pin plug. You would basically plug your connection cable into that. And on the back of the power and RPM module, we have an I/O port also. We just plug it into the I/O1 side, and when we start recording on the RC Logger Pro camera, it will start gathering the data from the power and RPM module, such as the overall voltage and each individual cell voltage. It stores that data as a bin file on the camera, and then after you're done, you can actually take that camera, the AVI file and the bin file, and import that into the viewer or commander software that's available for free download at rclogger.com. And then you can go back and look at your voltage consumption during your flight, which is actually pretty cool. Some people like to know how stressful or how much stress they're putting on their motor or something like that. So this enables that. But basically, yeah, that's it. This is a pretty quick overview, and thank you very much for taking your time to watch. Take care.